My name is Anand Kumar and basically I am from Bihar, Gaya. I am 16 years old only. First of all, I would like to thanks to the member of Prem Youth Foundation who has taken such an initiative and given us a chance to speak about Mahatma Gandhi, who is also known as Bapu.
I regard myself as a soldier, though a soldier of peace.
कहते हैं पहन के काठ के चप्पल जिसने सत्याग्रह का राग सुनाया था, देश का था अनमोल दीपक जो महात्मा कहलाया था. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, who played a pivotal role in India's independence movement. As we know that Mahatma Gandhi has given a big contribution to getting India's independence in 1947. A great freedom fighter, Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His birthday is celebrated every year as a Gandhi Jayanti. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was non-violence advocate. He started many movements such as civil rights movement, and he introduced the concept of non-violent resistance that is called Satyagraha in 1917. Salt March, which is also known as Dandi March, in 1930 to protest against British salt taxes. Even Quit India movement in 1942 calling for immediate independence. Actually, Mahatma Gandhi was aware of it that we will definitely get the independence. That's why he introduced Quit India movement, boycott of British goods. He encouraged Indian to use simple homemade goods instead of British product. Advocated Swadeshi movement in 1905 to promote self-reliance. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi, his mother name was Putli Bai. He believed in simple living and high thinking. महात्मा गांधी कहते थे कि कमजोर व्यक्ति कभी क्षमा नहीं कर सकता, क्षमा करना शक्तिशाली व्यक्ति का गुण होता है. With the help of this quote, Mahatma Gandhi tried to make people understand that if you are accepting your mistakes and forgives the other's mistake, then you are the strongest person in this world. Mahatma Gandhi believed that truth was the most important thing and that non-violence and truth were inseparable. Gandhiji also believed in an ethical religion and that religion should be based on reason and moral value. He said that life is a whole and all aspects of life are connected and affect each other. महात्मा गांधी का कहना था कि तू हंस, तू मुस्कुरा, तू रोना कम कर दे. अगर तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी के नाक में दम कर दे. Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy also includes ideas about how to avoid wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, knowledge without character, and business without morality. Mahatma Gandhi has fought against the practices of untouchability, advocated for equality among all castes, and even encouraged spinning and weaving of khadi as a symbol of self-reliance. Then women's empowerment. Gandhiji supported women's active participation in society and politics. He promoted a system of education that integrated a craft-based learning. Then opposition to child marriage. Mahatma Gandhi was totally against of child marriage because as we know that he was victim of child marriage, right? Mahatma Gandhi was only 14 years old when he married Kasturba Gandhi in May 1883. He was great follower of peace and non-violence. According to Mahatma Gandhi perception, it is not non-violence if we merely love those that love us. It is non-violence only when we love those that hate us. I know how difficult it is to follow this grand law of love, but are not all great and good things difficult to do? He promoted simplicity, humility, and truthfulness. Mahatma Gandhi's legacy continued to inspire people all over the world to fight for justice and freedom. and also his legacy is one of unity and resistance. Mahatma Gandhi was influenced by Jainism, an Indian religion that emphasizes non-violence. His face appears on India's currency. He was Nobel Prize nominated for Nobel Peace Prize multiple times, like in 1937, 1938, 1939, 1947, and a few days before assassination in 1948. As we know that Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30th January 1948. Even after so many years, Mahatma Gandhi's belief continued to enlighten both India and rest of the globe. His political accomplishment gave us independence. In order to live happy, prosperous, wealthy, peaceful, and sustainable existence, every person should adhere to the core Gandhian ideology. जाते जाते कुछ शब्द मैं कहना चाहता हूँ जो महात्मा गांधी शायद हम लोग को सिखाना चाहते थे कि मिट्टी से भी यारी रख, दिल से दिलदारी रख, चोट न पहुँचे बातों से इतनी तो समझदारी रख, पहचान हो तेरी हटकर भीड़ में भी कलाकारी रख, पल भर ए जोश जवानी का बुढ़ापे के भी तैयारी रख, दिल सबसे मिलता नहीं फिर भी अपनी जुबान प्यारी रख। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।